Ctrl plus J to duplicate layer. Add an empty layer. Filter, high pass. Overlay. Hold Alt and click between current and empty layer. Eyedropper tool, sample size 5 by 5 average. Sample, current and below. Take wanted color. Brush tool key, opacity and flow tilde 50%. Draw on empty layer. Ctrl plus J to duplicate layer. Ctrl plus Shift plus A to open camera raw. Exposure plus 0.5. HSL adjustments, luminance. Reds and oranges make lighter. Hold Alt and click mask icon. B to select brush tool. Take white color. Draw on mask to reveal changes.